Anyone who's done any kind of wire pulling with fish rods knows the pain of a fiberglass splinter. Fiberglass fish rods offer great flexibility when fishing, but they also come with the inevitable splinters.
The splinters every day. You know, you have to wear gloves, and if you don't wear the gloves, your hands burn the rest of the day and then probably the rest of the week when you use them.
Not anymore. New Splinter Guard fish and glow rods from Klein tools protect your hands from fiberglass splinters. Made in the USA, the protective coating keeps hands splinter-free. No longer do you need to give up dexterity when fishing wires by wearing gloves. No longer do you need to try and safeguard your hands from injury and cover up the glow by taping up damaged glow rods. To ensure electricians' safety and comfort, Klein Tools engineers designed a protective coating and put it through rigorous testing. Using an abrasive 180 grit sandpaper and crock meter, Klein Tools' new Splinter Guard rods were rubbed 200 times in just 3 minutes, with little to no damage to the coating. This test demonstrates the extreme durability of Splinter Guard. No longer do you have to worry about splinters from rods frayed from scrapes against sharp electrical boxes, wire trays, or threaded rods. The fish and glow rods come in a variety of flexibilities and lengths to meet any application need. The 5/32 rods provide the ultimate in flexibility to navigate tight bends. The 3/16 rods offer mid-range flexibility for most fishing applications. The 1/4-inch rods are flexible yet rigid for pulling wire long distances. Glow rods feature a luminescent glow for added visibility in dark workspaces. The improved glow shines 2 times brighter, 2 times longer. Sections can be threaded together to customize the length needed for the job. No tools required. The 9-foot glow rods are portable and fit easily into your tool bag. The sets include both bullet nose and hook attachments to grab and attach wires. New Splinter Guard fish and glow rods, made in the USA by Klein Tools, dedicated to the professional tradesman since 1857.